Nigeria is not a peaceful country. Nigerians are not as peaceful as Ghanaians are. What I say, everywhere in the world that Nigerians go, they create chaos. Africa, let's unite. Africa, let's unite. Me patro, yes. Africa, we will unite, but not this way.
I'm sounding a word of caution to the Nigerians. Ghanaians, we will stand up to defend our territorial land.
If you're new here, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more relevant and important updates like this one. If you've been following us, thank you for your continued support. Your voice matters here. Today's report is intense, emotional, and extremely important. Protests have erupted in Ghana, Nigeria, and even parts of Moscow. And it all stems from a ceremonial kingship title given to a Nigerian Igbo man in Ghana. While some see this as harmless and cultural, others believe it touches a nerve tied to migration, national pride, and economic frustration. Let's break it down. What's really going on? At the center of the controversy is an Igbo man from Nigeria, honored as a ceremonial or social king within the Igbo community in Ghana. He is not attempting to be a traditional king or to take over a Ghanaian royal stool. His role is more symbolic, a unifier, a cultural representative for fellow Nigerians living in Ghana, particularly the Igbo tribe.
Was the nomenclature king emanating from your palace, as you call it, or it's from the bloggers?
It's from the bloggers.
So you have never called yourself king before? King of the Igbo people in Ghana?
No, that is a question that had a lot of answers. You see, when you say the name king, that is our local language. In our local language, when you say Eze, Eze, we have Eze as a name. People can call their children Eze. My first son is called Eze, Chidemeze. But there is also Eze in our language that had to do with kingship.
Right.
Just like people answer Nana as a normal name, answer Ni as a normal name, but these names are also a tag for kings. But then in Ghana here, with my understanding now in Ghana here, that the Constitution of Ghana did not have that provision of a king, but it had provision for chiefs. In Nigeria, when people called Eze or Igwe, or that's Eze as a ruler, or Igwe as a ruler, that means he's a king. So this is what we portray as Ezigbo Ghana. Then when somebody asks what it is in English, you say king. Exactly. But when you look at documents given to me by my community, it's Ezigbo Ghana. But when I tell you Eze, you will not understand what it is.
I see.
You ask me what's the meaning of Eze in English, then I can say that in English. So that is it. Not that.
So is this then now an admittance that when you were translating Eze from your Igbo language to English, in the context of the Ghanaian people, you made a mistake translating this as king instead of chief?
No, as of the time I was crowned days of my community, we've not understand this area on how the Ghanaians address their kings as chiefs. Yes.
So then, you made a mistake then, 13 years ago.
Yes.
I see. But then you carried on that mistake until now, today that you're learning, that it was wrong for you to have identified yourself as king.
Yes, we learn every day.
I see.
We learn every day.
But this has triggered sharp backlash in parts of Ghana. Demonstrators see it as a threat or insult. But should it be? Why does a symbolic kingship cause such unrest? Could it be that what this title represents, a visible, growing Nigerian presence in Ghana, is the real issue? And should communities in the diaspora not be allowed to maintain cultural identity in peace? What do you think? Are Ghanaians overreacting, or are there deeper wounds we're not addressing? Let's be honest. This isn't just about a ceremonial title. The protest reveals long-standing economic and historical grievances. Ghanaians still remember the 1983 episode when Nigeria, under economic pressure, expelled thousands of Ghanaians. That era birthed the popular phrase, Ghana must go. At that time, Nigeria was flourishing. Ghanaians were migrating there in search of opportunity. Now the tables have turned. Ghana's economy is more stable than Nigeria's, and Nigerians, especially young, desperate ones, are flooding Ghana in large numbers. So we must ask, is this current protest really about a title? Or is it a reaction to a reversal of roles, an emotional response to feeling overwhelmed, displaced, or even threatened by Nigerian presence? And if tables turn again tomorrow, will Nigeria remember this moment? Social media reactions have been fierce. Many Nigerians argue that Ghanaians are overreacting to a harmless cultural event.
So some Ghanaians have been protesting on their streets that Nigerians must go, Nigerians must leave their country. I mean, you all know the reason, because of that Igbo king. Funny enough, a lot of Nigerians do not actually care about the man or his kingdom, but they are deceiving, and because Ghanaians are protesting, Nigerians must go. My brothers from Ghana, before I tell you my opinion, let me show you something. In Nigeria, we have different languages and tribes just like you have in Ghana. The most spoken language in Nigeria at the moment, according to the statistics, is Hausa, followed by English, followed by Yoruba, and Igbo is in the fourth place. Now, I'm pretty sure not every Igbo person is supporting this man or his kingdom. A lot of the Igbos I personally talk to do not even know this man. Therefore, it is not even fair to say Igbo must go. Talk less of involving 200 million Nigerians who have nothing to do with the kingdom. Just because some group of Nigerians are trying to build a kingdom in Ghana does not mean all Nigerians are involved. And my opinion on this whole saga is, dear Mr. King, dear Mr. Igbo King, no matter how pure or good your intention of building that kingdom is, since the owners of the country do not like, then leave the idea and move on. Do not let this affect other innocent people and their business, because if this Nigeria must go protests continue to happen, a lot of innocent Nigerians living in Ghana might be affected. Of course, there are Ghanaians living in Nigeria, but let peace reign. My final message to my Ghanaian brothers, please stop generalizing this protest. It's not about Nigeria at all. It's about some group of people. Concentrate on them. Majority of Nigerians don't care about him or the kingdom. Of course, there are Ghanaians living in Nigeria, as I said, but let peace reign. Thank you.
Some Ghanaians, however, insist this is a warning against a growing trend.
Ghanaians are asking Nigeria to leave their country. Not a way Musa no go see forget, sha. I think that Nigerians have main character syndrome. So as a man, you have that amount of money to go into another man's country, buy acres of land, and your plan is for the Nigerians or the Igbos there to come and live in that area and you will be their king. Now, let me ask you something. If they reverse the case, a Ghanaian came to Nigeria, bought acres of land and said that, oh, all the Ghanaians in Nigeria can come live here and I will be the king. How are we going to react as Nigerians? Yes, you won't like it, Abby. That's the answer. So that thing that you know that you cannot take, don't dish it to another person. Honestly, their reaction is justified. If this thing was to happen in Nigeria, it's going to be chaos. Let's forget about this fight between Nigerians and Ghanaians online. We know that it's cruise upon cruise, but this is real life matter. You as this Nigerian man, you have this amount of money. Instead of you to use the money, buy acres of land, build a multi-million naira company and employ Nigerian youths. That way you are giving employment to the country. We have millions of unemployed youths. The country is hard, the economy is bad. Instead of you to develop your own country, you decided to go to another man's country and decide that you want to be king in their land. Just yesterday, I saw that the Dubai government has placed a tourist visa ban between the ages of 18 to 45 years old. If you're not above 45 years old, you can't visit Dubai right now as a Nigerian. Other countries are always using us to shine. I know that most of you Nigerians will still cry in my comment section, so it's okay. I've said my own.
Does this tension suggest a lack of a functioning African Union identity that can handle intra-African migration peacefully? We want your thoughts in the comments. Should cultural kingship among migrant groups be discouraged if it triggers host community fears, or should it be protected as a right to cultural expression? But is this fair? Should a whole community be judged based on the behavior of a few individuals? How can law enforcement target bad actors without fueling xenophobic sentiments? And even more critically, is the Nigerian government doing enough to guide its citizens abroad, especially in countries where tensions are growing? These are sensitive issues. But if we keep avoiding them, we risk deeper regional conflict. Should African countries develop new frameworks for responsible regional migration? Should ECOWAS step in to mediate? What's even more disturbing is how this issue is spreading beyond Ghana and Nigeria. In places like Moscow, reports of protests and tensions between Ghanaians and Nigerians are emerging among the African diaspora. This reveals something critical. If our people can't unite abroad, when they're already facing discrimination and isolation from foreign systems, what hope is there for unity at home? What does this say about the image we're projecting globally? Are we becoming our own biggest enemies, undermining Pan-Africanism with tribalism, rivalry, and bitterness? We want your views in the comments section. What can the African diaspora do to promote unity among fellow Africans abroad? There's another layer to this crisis: cultural pride and the fear of losing national identity. Ghanaians, like many others, are proud of their traditions. When outsiders settle in and begin organizing cultural structures like kingship, Even if symbolic, it triggers fears of cultural dilution. But should cultural preservation come at the cost of hostility? Should Nigerians stop forming cultural groups in foreign African countries out of respect? Or should those host countries adapt and accept diversity within their borders? If we want to be one Africa, then when and how do we draw the line between cultural expression and national sovereignty? This is a debate the African continent must confront, honestly, urgently, and without hate. In the end, this issue isn't about one man's title. It's about our collective wounds as African nations. It's about history, migration, memory, and fear. But more importantly, it's about the future. Will we continue to let our past divide us, or will we learn from it to build something stronger? Will we let fear and resentment shape our policies and relations? Or will we finally create a Pan-African system that understands, manages, and protects migration, identity, and dignity? Let's not just talk, let's listen. The comments section is open. Drop your thoughts respectfully. Do you think Ghanaians are right to protest, or are Nigerians being unfairly targeted? Should host countries accommodate foreign communities' cultural identities? Let us know. If you value the kind of honest, deep, and balanced reporting we bring you, please consider joining our channel membership and give us a super thanks to help sustain independent African journalism. Your support goes a long way. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only.
Abuja media na confire the red and white by the king of Christianity. Says I be watching baby be a media. I won't send the beer confire and I catch her say, Menye busimka. Me ye so comfort. Ana me yabo some bra for comfort. Ana me yes be mutia comfort. Asa that in no. Confire me to me be any asase so a me contact no. Me no kredi ntira. Me ye comfort na se be confire. You be a me free Cynthia me fra ho. And then nyina me fra bofo no mudi nkomo. Obi wa ni problem kutia na pa. Eye bofo bi na di nachi. Na bofo no di nachi ni wa hunu bofo na kwan. Ma ne ma nkoyi emfama no. Enye de ma bia na ya baifo na di ye nipa wo. Ya na ya honhum ni bebrebe timi kohia nipa bi. Wo hu na no apena se wotim di nhirama no. Honhum bi ti kohia wo bi. Wo hu na no ata no wotim di niam abone ye de so ano. Ene de wo hwe me. Baby a mijira asabe maso aside kwabna esu agamasu ene sabe esu kuntunkuni ho wo hwe baby a mijira ya bofo kira maso simachi pa bia nim kira maso de kira masite mameka se minche ni nkomo kakra bi wa fa number ne ku screen ase no e brother ni ku da fiada ne kwesi ada na mtrase yesu sunuma brother sister ama me a wo hwe me papa wo hwe me wo face problem wa abrabom ene ma nkoye mfama awale sem nkoye adwuma sem nkoye sikasem nkoyi sabe watale na waye ochechira ne asane brother won ya sunsumu background me bisa say sunsum be ne kuma e wa abrabom debia na me kase sun abrabom na yebo na spiritual ye mo de physical wo mu na abrabom was spiritual no o mu na physical wo ma abrabom ne me koye fam o mu o ka se papa kwa mo te ya papa despite mo Canada Japan se wo mu ni sunsumu background na ke se ko ma di ye o kwa me cheda ho yese wo muni susum background na gomadi obia no obeka na hintasam de adidi adai e de a kire no mpanifo se wote fa kwa wote wade so nyame nyame nta obia e de ntina wo se nyame ntimi mo awo eye nyame ma wo message wasam na di tu na nim no wa kire wa kwankire woni aso ntino on se wo hunu de woye ma me ka se mi kire ensate nyina nyepe me yobia me yesunsumni mani ko akiri ahun bebrebe na mete wo voice ahun bebrebe na me hu wo enti baabi a woni nam no baabi a wo po wo problem no se be open solve no nipa kro woni ani enti ne ma nkoye mfamo ma me gazi me kire wa ba wi ase wo se bosum enim wa de bo nipa bosum bo nipa na se bo asai na bra wo na ka kire wo eya kristofo atoro ne adada kontompo ana ye de adada mo eti muhunu konfo a muhunu se konfo ya atanta de ma me ka se bi kire entuma agokora no eto de hia ma de so yaduani di enti boso wanya atanta de wate u problem na wona mu no o face problem wa wale semu a fa me number de frame e bia na was spiritual marriage no ya wade adanyu wadi a woda oba ba yi ni wadi di a kire ani ya wade woda o ma yi ni wadi nya de en kire spiritual marriage ni ye wo mienu ba ku meska de hinta wona o ma wu no woda wono ma beda o na ma wudi ana de yi wo ma wu mu no ono na sabe okwa awade enye ye wo ye aduma enye ye sika ntimi ntira wonsem obede timi afiri sa problem ni fa number na frɛ confirm ya ya was spiritual items o hwɛ me wutie me ne confirm aka che o say there is no double money in one but you was sika kwankyere wo wo hwɛ me no Gwan kasa betima command sika. Eni kwaso bi command sika de ma. Musi dipa ne twa sika so nyame na eche. Enti se be bone be na ade nyame so ma onye sika. Wa cheki. Eye nipa bi na mpese obedi ana wa ko tie wo sunsum. Bela na se sunsum ko ye mpagya ni mfiri wo. Sunsum ba bi bia wo sika hye bia. Na nanu be kwa akwaje di ama. Enti wa na be fre sika se kudimra, l'argent mra. Sefa, dollars, pounds, euros. Fa na wo country be na so. Mami ka se mi jeo. For the water, so bolo kenke entimi commandi sika tie ni ye. Obi akwatia de wachi wokra no, achiwade ade aka no. Obede de for the water akọ hohoro wokra na achiwade. Ye wa akwanche wo wa se ye. Komfo ya wo ba mi fia. Aha ya akwanche papa fie. Anantwie enwan enkraman emponche enkokọ emro noma. Obi ane ne kra obi ane ne susu. Fa number na frɛ komfo ya. Komfo ya mapasika saminya. Konfo ya wababi aba mabrabo ma no ko bema bi aba mabrabo ma no ko papa me ton ne ma ye nto enema nyina fa ko mame papa baby obi aba wura bi adani je baba mi wura na da wura wapi papa mi tiri me ya papa ina me nan adecha me kon adecha me nsa hey fana ma ne free the great one so ni mbofo kira mai woni mbofo afafiri ombe ye adwuma ne kama na omdi ama aha enema bi akote wo susum bi ama abrabo ya bisi basade ama no aha ye dane no shabre ni krabe ne nyankopɔ de ma wo no nyame amfo wa ma se be ye kaya yo dabi wo be kotre UK wo kotre Canada e bia ne nyankopɔ se mentu kwa na wo ye de wo Ghana es when you bia me na nya bisa mo to wo kotre UK nti wo bre ene me bi wa ya na nye abaifo na yiwo ye dependi ye nipa no ye hwehwe ye shabre ne ye krabe ne nyankopɔ de ama ye aha yesu sumoduma ye was spiritual items wo fa number ne friend say na nema nkoyi ma ya bisa mame na me ame pese mitimi command sika na me de ka wo UK na me de ka wo Canada na me de metime twetwa me ho aka fra me na sunsun na otu sika say yempagya ni free so na wa command sika simple is a me mitimi fa me kra command sika ma ai mo de ni be che me mu a ono ni di wonu ni sunsun na be ya sika no de ache by the way wona kasa betima command sika akwankyere ye waduro bi wa ye fia ye friend boame ye friend ntwemra eno no ye de brewa wo de be kyerese de obesima yusu no etiwa na be command sika emfa wo ni obi adwuma wo ya ye twa aka bosome wo obetima command sika fana ma na frɛ komfo ya ye was spiritual items wa spiritual items na ye ka no sabi da bi akomfo ya na meka mesese wo be ye benfo a ye haban ni nupira ye kasa obi ye benfo a me komfo ya me obosum ni me nsuo ni mitumi ntino miji me hutum se me ye penfo ne tie ni e den na ma me benye obi di na wale sembai ye to odwan to nantwie ye ya amamre ni nyina wie ye no se be stina na no se be awade ni wonya wunim de etira sunsum na obedi na chi na so ma ne ware no se wanfa sunsum no na chi wade anka sa nipa dua na wose musuo nko an wayi a watu sika atogo enipa na boka because komfo no ne aduro hey ye kasa dura brother tumi nkasa aduro nkasa ye na ye tumi ne kasa ma fa ne be kasa ma aduro na kasa ma tumi me nkasa ma me ho me kasa ma aduro eti ya was spiritual items wa ya ye ne oil ni bini ya wane semna wa ha oil ni bini sa oil we eye haban maako 42 ana ede ye oil we ne friend back to sender oil we na chiri baifo oil we na ma wo hunu se obi a woni ne wadwuma sebe odwon ho adwombo ni se we su oil we ya na se nipa no nya baifo kwa na odwon ho adwombo ni a brother ohun wani ma wani wudi nkoma wantimi hwe wani da oil we be mo hunu nipa kro ye beje oil we bi fa ko pete wadwuma beje oil we bi fa ko srasra wadwuma na wo ye no wabra bone ma be ko ye di ama sunsun na oda no no obeda wonu meda biem sika na ntimi ntra so sika betra srem abraba na nkoye no enema be koye di ama asada to oyi we no oyi no ahaban maako 21 anya yi free 42 ni ana ye de ye soap semna sunsun no oda na akyerebe anini apramre ni ananka ne yapamo oda wontimi na enema nkoye mfama osuso da ye basabasa abrabɔ no fema ni wo enema wo ye bibian dey be ma ne ba wo be bresa na okọ oba ne ba wo be bresa na okọ bra baji sopu ni bi eye miensa ne nam oto oyo na no atosem na no ye wani nku wo ho eye feba krim wo feba krim no se wo ho a nipa bi ahia wo ho se wo ahia wo su nipa da woni bibi wo ye fepa eso nam se wo ye mpa wo ye ti no ye de kaka moto bibi ye de first bi ye de ahia wani eti obi hunu wo hunu se wo ye kakai obi hunu wo ba wo hu beba bi hunu wo ba bema ni hunu wo ba ne se eye ne yonko bema enti otimi ni nkomo bra beto feba krim ni bi feba krim no wo pe umpe krim no na pese mfanya kaji ma de be yamo ya mfanya ponso ma de be yamo ya mfanya powder ma de be yamo ya mfanya handkerchief ma de be yamo woni wo nipa no edi nkomo nyina no na de hanki no e fa woni kaji na wabo nipa ni din di ato edada powder na wabo nipa ni din di asra woni dada sabi nku na wabo nipa ni din di asra woni dada woni nipa ne ka asem na se ne kra mo du ti se de ya na me kra ne kra bibia ni mi hu what was within seconds was me kra ma me hwe obisika bi wo ho me de ato ama ma me fa ma he bra ni amwo na di yese wo ma yese nkwa ni yese ya to obi yese nkwa pa so oni to oni hips esesebe wo protocol bra ni ma osunsumu protocol ne mpie physical ba bia be wura bia wodi nhire ni yeje be de ebe free wo kwafo ya mesaya de ya David is a cancer, kidney, diabetes, hepatitis B, stroke, sebi, obabi no monsa, obabi no ri, sebi obabi, wo wa adwurim ka na dwure ho sebi enye wanya normal, wo abrochire, wo pa, e wo abrochi akra na enye normal, fana ma na frame. Ya be ya bisa asa, ni ahwehwem. Eye ne shebre ne nkrabia ka finya mo ba e be ka kire wo enye ne nkrabia na okra finya mo ba na ye obi na aye ne saa so a na nanom be da na didi a kire yen na sebe ye de ho dry de e de aka kwanche bi wo anu aye brother sister aha eye comfort ya spiritual and herbal center e brother ne ku de fiada ne kwesi ada na yetrase Jesus sumuma number na good screen na say 0241 185804 0241 185804 0557 590395 0557 590395 mami no nka se meka wure yafi umunua ba bi hwe me pa wo hia ba e wo so de bato ne naso spiritual marriage na mesika no e ma ba ma wa brabom e ma wunya akono ma ne ba ma ne nawo and there was spiritual marriage bi wo ha die mesika no wanya ni wadi nchiro enti wo be de nya be ma na nawo enti wo sika na wanya ni bebrebe ni nyina no amafo gina kire se wo de wa wo de na akwaji sika enye no kure sika ye kurafo chen wo bia sika wo ye opo no nko a ye be he da be di sika nko enti se wo hwem ne se wo wo problem obi ka kire wo se bosom ma ba se bi wo ye yale ni abisa se bosom be na aka konfo wa fa achache ni da se bosom ma ba no ma yale ni a anko be kan yale fo akonfo wo pefefe akonfo wo fe papa akonfo ye ma na ye mema ye wo fe papa enti mu obi na ada wadwene e ma won tra nyame fie se wo peba abra wunya aba tie nie to anamo na bra eso se de kwabra ne ma o mo fe pa abrofo atente gram ene wuna sebe o mo chen ahemfo fana ba de guski na se ne frame wona wo hwe me ne wa wuti mi wunya chinifo amfreme wunya chinifo meto spiritual items ni bi wunya chinifo amesesai meto spiritual items ni bi ba wunya chinifo abrabeto bi ne kohwe see and believe yesi do ani be hu ana abedi hu adanse konfoya spiritual and herbal center minimi nso ni maboso honhom ni de timi ya na mabeka nyam na wo tumi no bi yetumi ne ka samafo eti mona mukase konfoya kasade do ase wo chese woni wo tumi mini tumi na duma wo timi fa me so ye ana mba mbebo hu dawuru eti se wo se mini tumi a bra wo da wo hwe bra na bra be so ye de ehwe ya bia ya project wo wade so na so no wa fa ama ye ntimi nsu ye wotu fia mi ntimi nsu ye ma na mo wodi begira manim ko ade a mesie ama hukuma ye de adwo o so be cha kwa hukuma sa so ma so kwata santima mpuru de ye kona na kora bi ya do ye kora hene na so si de kwabra na mutu a edim juma e bra da ne ukuada fiada ne kosiada ana etrase yesus numa fada ma ne frame mi ne nsem ne pere be se hia epia